Chapter 9, Exercise 1, Part 7 of 9, Plate. Create a new file. Select Model Template. Enter the name, Plate. Put it in the Butterfly Wall folder. Say OK. Create a sketch. Select XY plane. Select ellipse in the command window. Select the ellipse tool. Enter the major radius 102.5 and the minor radius 96.9. Specify the point. Sketch origin. Finish the sketch. Extrude. Enter start distance 0 and end distance 2 mm. Say OK. Hide the sketch. Now select the hole tool. Select simple hole. Hole diameter 12. To specify the point, sketch section. Select the bottom face. Select point dialog tool. Enter X direction 50 mm, Y direction 0 and Z direction 0. Say OK. Similarly, once again open the point dialog box. Enter -50 in the X dimension and say OK. Close. Finish the sketch. Normal to face through body. Boolean operation subtract. Say OK. Orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File close all parts. This completes Chapter 9, Exercise 1, Part 7 of 9, Plate.